everybody, I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. It's pretty easy to fix, so let me show you how to do it. Now this issue often occurs because Windows does not automatically reroute installations to drives with enough storage space, even if you specified which installation drive while installing. So how do you change this? Windows 10 is a little bit different. Windows 10 is a little bit easier. Windows 11 is a little more complicated, but it's basically the same. So you go into System. And again, this will be the same on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So you go to System. You go to Storage Settings. Here you go to Advanced Storage Settings. So on Windows 10, it will be on this screen. But on Windows 11, you go to Advanced Storage Settings, and then you click on where new content is saved. And you change this into a drive that has more space. And then retry the installation once you have changed this. And that should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.